When buying real estate, smart decisions must be taken. Now, what is a smart decision? One very smart decision, my dear clients, is getting a unit here at Crown Golden City in Lugbe, Abuja. Hello, smart investors. How are you all doing? It's a beautiful day today, and this is me bringing you yet another awesome deal. This is a really beautiful estate you can see from the videos. But before we go further, let me introduce myself. Now, my name is Mary, and I am a real estate consultant that helps you secure high performing real estate opportunities right here in the city of Abuja, Nigeria. Now, today I'll be taking you on this wonderful inspection to Crown Golden City. Crown Golden City is a beautiful estate located just off a highway, just off the airport road in Lugbe, Abuja. Now, this estate is in Lugbe. It's just 15 minutes to the international airport, and right here we have fully detached duplexes, 5-bedroom fully detached duplexes with a BQ going for 60 million naira, and 5-bedroom fully detached duplex plots. This is land now going for 15 million naira. Now, this is 450 square meter plots. So let me take that again. We have 5-bedroom fully detached duplexes with a boys quarter going for 60 million naira. That's the building is going to come fully fitted but not furnished for 60 million naira. And we also have 5-bedroom fully detached duplex plots 450 square meter plots going for 15 million naira. Now, we have a lot of juicy things that are coming with this estate. So before I go further, kindly hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button and also comment down below what you think about this estate.
Yes, there are houses for sale. 60 million.
For how many
60
bedrooms?
million. 5-bedroom, 1 BQ.
5-bedroom duplex.
Duplex, yes.
With
1
BQ.
BQ, 2 sitting rooms.
So what we have is only
The
fully
plot size
detached.
there is 450 square meters.
Okay.
That's the plot size.
So that's for fully detached.
You have ample space to park at least like 4 cars, 5 cars, depending
type
on the
does it
type of
have?
car. This one has a RFO, right of occupancy.
Occupancy.
Then we have building approval.
Then is there still need for installment payment? Can one go for
Sure,
installment?
yes. They can do installment payment. For land, they can pay 50% and spread the balance for 6 months.
Zero
Then
interest.
zero interest on it. Then for building, you do 50%, then you spread the balance for 6 months also.
Zero
That's for
interest
duplex.
as well.
No interest.
Oh,
No
beautiful,
interest.
beautiful.
No interest. So it is very easy.
For Crown Vista, it's still open, right?
It's
right
right,
of
right of
occupancy.
occupancy too. Then we have our building approval for the estate. So everything is very good.
So what's the perspective for Crown like?
Okay, like you can see already, we've done the asphalt for the road before, but it's heavy trucks. While the construction is going on, they are spoiling, so we'll do it again. The drainage, as you can see, we are doing the drainage, even though it is rainy season. Already we have light here already, and we have the transformer, everything. Then the flowers are planted already. All the street lights are working, they are solar. So either there's light or not at night, everywhere is
Lighted up.
lighted. So far is that people living here now. Some people are living here. We have plenty living here. shop. We have land that we left for corner shop. We have land that we left for corner shop. Then this place is for shopping mall.
Just to have a mini mall inside.
So that
With just a few units left on sale, Crown Golden City is a sure investment for home seekers and investors alike. The title on Crown Golden City is an R of O, right of occupancy, and Crown Golden City is going to come with a lot of amenities. We are going to have a corner shop. We are also going to have a mini shopping mall right in this estate. We also have our lawn tennis and basketball courts under construction. We have done our drainage systems. Our street lights are up and running. We have a security gatehouse and our perimeter fencing is standing so beautifully. Our roads are going to be tarred and there's going to be a lot of greenery. Yes, we are going to plant trees and flowers and all of that. Now, electricity has already been installed in this estate. People are living here. Yes, so it is not an isolated area. Now, we have flexible payment plans on this estate. Yes, you can pay 50% initial deposit and spread your balance for 6 months at no interest. Can you beat that? Now, this goes for both the houses and the plots, 450 square meter plots. So either of those properties, you can pay initial deposit of 50% and spread the remaining balance for 6 months at completely zero interest. Now let me talk about our 5-bedroom fully detached duplexes. This is going to come all rooms and suites. Yes, all rooms and suites with a boys' quarter with ample parking space that can park up to 4 cars. Now the building itself is going to come fully fitted. That means it's going to have all the cabinetry, the light fixtures, the POP, the floor to ceiling tiles, the railings, and all of that. It's going to come with all of that at an awoof price of 60 million naira only. What you should do now is pick up your phone and start dialing my number because we have just a few units left. You don't want to miss out on this deal. Now for the plots, like I said earlier, it is 450 square meter plots. You can get this for 15 million naira. Now I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a like if you haven't and subscribe to this channel to get more and more property listings right here on my YouTube channel. See you again in my next video. Until then, stay safe, have fun and keep on investing rightly.